All right, guys, we're sitting in a 2016 Hyundai Sonata Sport. We're going to go over how to reset this maintenance light. First thing you're going to do, get the key in the ignition, turn it twice to the on position. Chime's going to start, lights are going to flash, and as you can see, we've got our service required button. So we're going to come over here to this menu button, and we're going to scroll. Right now we're in park. We're going to scroll over. We're in the range, music, and then that'll show your tire pressures and all that. You can scroll, you can see that, and hold OK to reset. To scroll, it's just this up and down button. And we're gonna go over and hold OK and watch it reset. There we go, reset to 11,800 miles in 91 days. Now, if you wanna go ahead and change that, you can continue to hit this menu button, come over to settings, scroll all the way down, you're gonna see service interval, hit OK, and you can change it, you know, if you like to change it every 5 months, you can go ahead and go in there. Or you can go ahead and change the actual mileage. I think that's like extremely high. I don't know why it's that much. So just for the customer's sake, we're gonna come down and we are going to change that to 3,000 miles. 3 months, 3,000 miles is a pretty normal interval. That is how you go ahead and do that on a 2016 Hyundai Sonata Sport. Hope this helped you out. And if you have any other questions, any other vehicles you wanted to do, I have a whole playlist of different cars, Jeeps, Mini Coopers, BMWs. I got everything in there. So go ahead and check that out. Have a good day.